What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode on my channel. I hope you liked that little skit in the beginning. Well, it wasn't even a skit. That's exactly what I was doing, playing Call of Duty. And who doesn't enjoy getting car parts through the mail? So I got myself brand new tires, and I have some Trailmaster Pro Comps TM5s that I'm gonna put on the Jeep this weekend. And right now we actually got the spacers in the mail, so we're gonna go put those on. I'm gonna head over to my uncle's house, and I think he's probably gonna help me out. I just gotta go buy some drum brakes really quick. Even though I did the drum brakes last time, I just did the shoes. They started making noise again, and I realized that I need to change the drum as well. So we're gonna do that right now. We're gonna have a little bit of fun. So these are the new Toyo tires. I'll show you right now. So those are the new Toyo tires. Let's see if I can get them right for you. Got some nice tread. They're brand new. Here I got the Pro Comps. They're closed right now, so I'll probably do that. They're closed right now, so I'll probably do that right after when I finish everything. They should be going on tomorrow. So let's go to AutoZone and go pick up a few things. I gotta go get. Let's see. Yeah, so let's go to AutoZone. I gotta go pick up the drum brakes, and we're gonna install the spacers as well. So let's do it. Let's get there. I'm just grabbing a few things from the garage. As you can see, it's hot as mother balls right now, because August and July are the worst months in Miami. Humid as can be. So we're gonna be sweating hard today. So let me get these things. I'll see you guys in a bit. Let's get over to my uncle's house, because I want to get this done as soon as possible and as quick as possible, because I got other things to do today. So yeah, I'm back, baby. All right, so I just got back to my house. I got the drum brakes and the drum brakes. So I'm actually doing it back at my house because my grandpa isn't there. Not my grandpa, my uncle isn't there. So I'm gonna show you guys. They're Duralast. They're about 40 bucks on. Oh yeah, these are clean, bro. They're about 40 bucks, $42 and change over in this in AutoZone. So I got the new drum brakes. We're gonna take the old ones off. I just took the tire off of one side, so we're gonna do that, compare, see how much of a difference the drum brakes are right now. And yeah, so let's get this moving, because I want to get the pinch wheel done and do everything in the next hour or so if I'm lucky. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, so let's get this cracking. So I got a little sledgehammer we're gonna use to try to get this one off. It shouldn't be that hard this time around. Alright, so I got gloves on because I got a cut in my hand, so I don't want to get that. So this is stuck. I was just driving, so they're a little hotter than normal. See, so the pads are still good. I got some sandpaper, because they said if you get some sandpaper, you can get all the dirt that was inside of this one off of that, and it should be good. So let me get some brake cleaner first, so we can clean this real quick and get this rolling. So like I told you guys, I had changed the drum brakes, and the squeaking went away, but then after a couple days it came back, and it's all dirty already, as you can see. That's because these drum brakes aren't good. So yeah, cleaner drum brake is definitely going to be a lot better quality on this, so spray some. Alright, so I got the sandpaper. We'll wipe this down a little bit. Just, you know, it comes off by itself. You don't really need it, but it definitely does make a difference. So I got 120 grit paper to clean off the brake pads a little bit. So it's nice and smooth. So I definitely have a lot left. And you might want to clean the new ones as well, because you know they come kind of dirty. so it doesn't hurt to add some. Oh, solid, bro. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick. I also got some spacers since I'm putting new tires and wheels on this. Let me get some sun, sorry. Since we're gonna get, put this up here. Since we're gonna get new wheels and tires on the Jeep, which there's some Toyo Open Country 2s, all-terrains, 235 75 15s. I'll show you that once we place them. I think I'm going tomorrow to get those done, cause like, I found a guy that was gonna charge me what, 50 bucks to mount and balance all 4 of them, and that should be good. Plus I got the Trailmaster Pro Comps TM5s 15x8s. So this is gonna be a sick little modification to this solid little Jeep. So I got these 1-inch wheel spacers. I have the blue Loctite, the 243 is the number. The guy at AutoZone told me this is perfect because of the temperature and everything. Either way, I have a torque wrench at 100 pounds a foot or 100 foot-pound. I don't know how they say it, one or the other. And he said it should be perfectly fine. So I got that, I'm going with that. Either way, they're gonna be secure and tight on. So yeah, they have to be hub-centric. I'll put the link in the description box below, so you guys could check them out. I got them off of Amazon. They were about 70 bucks, if I'm not mistaken, or 63, something like that. And yeah, so let's have some fun putting these babies on. They actually look really good. And they were 5-star rating when I got them, so I think it's pretty solid. Comes with the lug nuts and everything that you need. So yeah, let's get this baby rolling. They need to be hub-centric, so all you do is just place over, and that's it. And don't forget to put the blue Loctite on the tread, so that way it sticks and it doesn't come loose, despite the fact that you have it at the size and weight for the torque. Alright, so my camera died while I was doing the other wheel, and I ended up getting the power tool from my neighbor and got the torque wrench and everything. I'm doing the front wheels already. They're pretty solid. They're going on like a charm. They fit perfectly. These spacers are looking pretty solid so far. Already, even with the stock tires, for those wondering, if you look at them, it already has kind of like a poke. Look at that. It's a lot more popped out than stock size, you know? So definitely a cool mod for the little Patriot. Let me finish this and I'll get back to you as soon as I finish, because after that, tomorrow we're gonna go and we're gonna install those tires and those wheels. So I'll catch you guys in just a bit when everything's done. All right, so I just finished putting all 4 spacers, and let's do a quick walk around because I'm gonna take the car for a test drive. I made sure I tightened everything good. So maybe you could tell the difference, maybe you can't, but let's see right now. So I don't know if you could tell, but they are sticking out a little more compared to what it would normally look like. And tomorrow I put on the new tires, so as soon as I put on the new tires, everything's gonna look a lot better. Oh yeah, that should look sweet. All right, so test drive, check. Brakes are good, no more squeak. So if you do get a squeak after you change the shoes on the drum brakes and there's still a squeak, you have to change the drum itself. So I finally got them, no more squeak, and it actually feels a lot better when I brake. There's not that much of a push. Thank God, because when it rains, these brakes were not doing well. And aside of that, no wobble. I got my neighbor to check it for me while I was driving. No wobble, no nothing. So tomorrow, wheels are getting installed, yes! And we'll be set with that little mod on the Jeep Patriot, on the Riot. So I'm excited, and I'm thinking after we do the wheels and tires and all that shit, I think we're gonna do a light bar installation, and yeah. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and which will be about maybe a second for you guys, obviously, unless I put a nice black screen until tomorrow, but you wouldn't want that. and we'll get everything going. So I'll see you. Yeah. So it's the next day and I'm back. So I forgot to do the most important thing yesterday when I took off all the wheels and tires here on the Riot, and before I put on the spacers, and that was do the little pinch wheel mod. And I gotta get rid of this thing right here. So the whole point of getting everything that I got yesterday was so I could do everything all at once, but it was so hot I forgot, and it was whatever. So I'm gonna lift up the Jeep real quick, take off both front tires, take off the fender well, and yeah, we're gonna start we're gonna start sledgehammering this thing down. I got a 3-pound hammer. I think this should work. Just a little muscle and just flatten it. I wouldn't recommend to cut it because if I'm not mistaken, I heard someone tell me that it's kind of like a structural thing, so don't cut it. I recommend that. I'm not gonna cut it. I'm just gonna flatten it down as much as possible and either put Flex Seal or sand it down and then put like bed liner spray or something. But I gotta do this now since I'm gonna go take the Jeep now to get the wheels and tires put on. So let's do a quick little speed up. I'm not gonna explain too much how to do it. Just take off the tires, hammer that shit down, and I'll show you right now with one of the wheels. So let's get to it because I gotta jack this bitch up. Yeah. All right, so we got the wheels off, and I lifted both sides up just to do everything quick. Next thing you have to do, from what I'm guessing, is you have to unscrew these bolts. Unscrew these bolts right here. I can't reach it. Right here, and then pop that off with like a flathead, the same thing as that, and the fender should come off. I don't know if there's another one. I'm not sure if there's another one, and sorry for the autofocus. And once you take that off, you'll see that metal piece, and you just hammer it down. And let's get to it because I want to try to finish this quick because I don't know how long they're going to be open today. It's 10 in the morning, so it's early. So, but still, I don't want to be here 2-3 hours because it's hot already. So that metal bar, it's what the pinch is. So that's why I say you should get Flexi Seal or some kind of a bed liner or something, because once you hammer this down, it could rust. And normally you should cut the plastic off as well, but I'm just gonna hammer this down as much as possible, I guess up to here, and continue from there. All right. So that's pretty much it. I just flattened it down, and as you can see, it's like pretty much almost flush to the rest of it, so that should be okay. I kind of hammered it down a little more than what it was, but it should be okay. So we're gonna do the other side now, and on the fender well, you'll see that it has that little elevated part. You could probably burn that with like a Dremel or something. I don't have one. I'm gonna try to cut it, see if I have something to cut it with, maybe some pliers or something, and then put the fender well back and onto the other side. Let's do it. Hey. So I'm just gonna cut the camera here. All right, so I kind of went the unprofessional route, and I got some hedge cutters which worked really well, and you can see right here I cut the piece off, and maybe I could cut some of this off to go down, so that way it won't rub either way, because with the loose piece I'm sure it'll rub, but it looks pretty good to me. I think we'll be all right. Let's go on to the next wheel, and once I'm done I'll get back to you guys, probably when I'm already on my way to the shop. So you guys saw the first preview. If you have any questions, comment down below, and I'll be happy to help you out and answer those questions. So I'm not a mechanic, but I just do it when I gotta do it, right? Yeah, so let's get it. Alright, so it's finished. As you can see, I'm wearing another shirt because I washed the Jeep and it is so hot here. I think I took a 3rd shower for today. My Riot is finally finished. I have the wheels on. If you can see a little bit right there, I'm going to do some B-roll right now. It came out so awesome. I'm so excited. And yeah, so I'm going to show you the final product right here, right now. And if you have any questions, make sure to comment down below. I'll make sure to reply because I always check my comments. And yeah, so enjoy. That's my Jeep Patriot. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, slap that like button. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. And I post videos every now and then because I used to be full-time, but it's hard now when you work and do all this other stuff. But I'm gonna make sure I get back to everybody and making more videos. If you guys enjoyed it, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you think I did something wrong, comment down below. If you want some information, comment down below. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. And yeah, like, share, subscribe. I love you all. Stay safe. And see you guys on the next one. Peace.